Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Hope all is well. Thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Today we are in Long Beach. I am with our brand new hire, effective today. This is Chris. Say hi, Chris.
Morning.
Someone gave him a nickname overnight.
Yeah.
Because, you know, all the Pipe Doctor family team members have to have a nickname. Someone gave him a nickname of no other than Air Force None. We'll call him Chris for now. I agree, it does sound like a better name. Now, let's see. Our first service call, we are in a luxury condominium building. And here we have a Moen single handle Moen Troll shower body with diverter above it, which will divert the water from the handheld to these 4 body sprays. The client's complaint is that the sprays on top spray like they should. So if you point it down, you're going to get sprayed in your chest. The ones would be for your lower extremities. Well, they was loaded with Cocky. You know Cocky, right? It's the stuff that comes out of your, pipes. Now, we took this out, and as you can see, we have a little restrictor in there, right? And is there one in there as well? Yes, there is. Well, what do we know what we're going to do? We're going to give him endless restriction. What do you think about that?
Sounds good to me.
Sounds like a plan. As you can see, the restrictor is completely gone. All right? See? All it takes is a little bit of ingenuity. And I know that someone's going to be trolling out there. I was like, Mikey Pipes, I'm calling the EPA on your ass. What is wrong with you? Oh, I'm trying to keep it PG. I'm sorry.
PG.
Yeah, PG. I'm going to have to blah, blah, blah in there, right? So now we're going to put these back in and see those two and these two. I think this is, maybe it's in the right direction. This one looks a little calcified. Clean that one up a little bit. See? There you go. Look at that. Just got to rub it a little bit. You know, like you have poison ivy. Just keep rubbing and scratching. See? There you go. Look at that. Very nice. And, it makes sense the bottom ones are going to get calcified first because all the water drains out of the bottom. But very nice. See? 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 See. Here we are on the other bathroom. So you have full disclosure. All right. He's saying, obviously it's still dry. I haven't tried this yet, right? He's saying that the bottom ones aren't working just like the other bathroom we just worked in. So hopefully that's right. Let's turn that away from us. All right, so you have a little schmata there. All right. And we have that one's good, but these are, look, we rub it, nothing. Right, that one, nothing. So we're going to turn off the shower body. We're going to take our long adjustable wrench, like this. This is complements of Crescent. This is the 12-inch wrench. And we're going to put those on the notches that are right there. And hopefully the nipple doesn't come out too, but it looks like it's coming out as well. So we're going to spin this out. Put that down. You see I'm protecting the customer's property by keeping the rubbered end on the stone. Not put the metal part on there. Plus I don't want to rust my tool. There's nothing like a rusted tool. Oh. Now look at all that. Wow. Okay, Chris. There's the first one.
Yeah.
I'm going to grab the other.
It's right here for you.
And get that on there carefully. And
Unrestricting these as well?
yes, we are, sir.
Nice.
All right, we don't want a rusty tool. And this one looks like that's successful as well. Oh, no, thought I. So we'll take our adjustable wrench right here and take out the brass. All right, we removed the Cocky holders. They're already in the garbage. There's one, there's the other. There's these two. Let's move this out of the way. And this one is good now. This one's got a lot of calcium in it. So we're gonna just rub it. Rub those little nipples right there. See? And there you have it. Restored. Wow, look at that. A winter day in Long Beach. You have snow on the sand. And this guy's taking pictures. Hi, it's me, Mikey Pipes. That beautiful view.